Hi guys, hope you're doing fine. I hope you all are doing good. This is the Violet Anything Air, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So, on this episode of Honest Air Review, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on this particular brand. So, we have Daisy here. Daisy Jerry Coil. I'm going to be rigging this particular air for a client. So this client says she wants a coily air that is very affordable, and she tell me her budget, which that is what I specialize on. We're having Daisy Jerry Coil. It comes in 16 inches and also 18 inches. It is color 2, a natural color. So and I picked this air, and trust me, this is the air blend. And trust me, the texture, I actually love it, and I'm very sure that it is a water-friendly coil. Yes, the way it is, and it doesn't comes with. This is how it comes from. It comes as a 4 bundle. It doesn't comes with any closure. Yes, so if you know you are going to work, you want a wig that comes with closure, you either just ventilate it or get a matching closure to it. But in this particular because this is my particular client, she said she wants a band wig. So, and that is the reason why I go for this. Yes, especially if you know you want a band wig, just as the one I'm wearing on my head is a band wig, or it is a different coil. So and I got this for her, and now I'm just going to remove it as usual. Then I'll just go ahead to go and wig it. And once I'm done with the wigging, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Even without you can actually even tell with the texture. It is very good for this amount. Yes, a very good air. Less than 15k. You can see it's a Jerry Coil, and trust me, it is going to last as long as you want it, as long as you know how to maintain your hair. So let me not stress too much. I'll just go ahead and wig it, then I'll be right back. Don't go. Hi guys, welcome back. So guys, you can see this is our hair. It has been wigged, just as I've told you that I want to make a band wig out of the Daisy coils we were like. So now we're going to have a review of what I feel about this air. So okay, it's giving me that soft texture. It's very good if you are adding and you just want to make an affordable hairstyle. So what I do is like I just wig it. Well, I'm not going to tamper with the coils. So what I'm just doing is like I'm just going to use this treatment. There is a way I did it, a special treatment for me, and you can just get a serum from your own end. You can get a serum, or probably just mix one or two leave-in conditioner with water and put it on a spray bottle. Then you are good to go like that. Or you can just get a detangling serum or something like that. For this one, it comprises it's a special treatment that I use. So I'll just spray it onto it, as seen, and I'll just use my hand to run through it. So guys, I guess we're back. We're done already. So you can see how it's looking. It's looking on our model, on our mannequin. So you can see. So if you know you're looking on a hair lesser than 15,000 naira, then you can go for Daisy, because number one, the texture itself, it's giving me that satisfactory work. And trust me, this is how it's going to be. This is how it's just going to be. So all you need to do is just spray it and then just use your hand to run through it and you are good to go. So guys, thank you for watching till this moment. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe and on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, whenever I post a new video, you're going to be the very first person to view my video. So guys, bye bye.